Proudly presented by Smart Hire. Today, Smart Hire will be outlining the process of how to choose between diamond concrete pads. Arguably the biggest and most important question when deciding on grinding concrete floors is which diamond pads to use. They come in a variety of shapes, each with different compositions designed for different uses. The first is the black compound, titled VA. This is a hard bond composition used for the grinding of soft and rain-affected concretes, as well as for the grinding and removal of abrasive surfaces, hardened glues and mortar. Second is the silver or grey composition, titled M. This is a medium bond compound that is designed to be used on medium strength concrete, and a type of concrete called terrazzo, which has a composition of marble chips, quartz, granites, and glass, as well as other binding materials. Thirdly, there is a white compound titled H, which is a diamond compound designed for hard concrete, such as a composition that you would find on most building sites, home slabs, and large construction pours. This compound is mostly seen as general purpose and is a good catch-all for most jobs. Fourth is the silver and gold compounds of VH, which stands for very hard concrete. This is mostly reserved for concrete with long curation times and that have a high megapascal rating and are used for large complex structures. Once decided on the composition type, you are ready to choose your diamond blade shape. There are four main types of shape that work in a similar system to sandpaper, starting with rough, low grit pads to remove volume quickly, and moving to fine, high grit pads for finishing and smoothing. The first diamond pad is the 16 grit arrow segment. This segment is specifically designed for aggressive grinding to remove volume, as well as the removal of paint, adhesives and epoxy coatings. It will leave scratch marks, which is great for other concrete coatings to adhere to, or which can be smoothed over by the following pads. Secondly is the 30 grit rectangular segment. This similarly is for aggressive grinding and is commonly used for a first pass in order to reach your desired level of aggregate exposure. The third out of the concrete pad shapes is the 60 grit oval segment. This segment shape is designed to be used for a second cut, simply removing and smoothing over any heavy scratches from the first pass. Finally, the fourth segment is the 120 grit circular button segments. This rounded concrete diamond pad has the finest of all the previous grits and is used for a third cut, removing all previous scratches from the former passes and leaving your concrete surface very fine and smooth. Additionally, one other diamond pad shape is the PCD scraper, with PCD standing for polycrystalline diamond, meaning that it is hardened into a crystalline structure for high tensile strength. This is the most aggressive of all the pads and is specifically used for ridding heavily coated floors of epoxy, waterproofing and thick layers of glue. Now you are ready to start grinding and bringing your concrete floor to its full potential. To hire this machine and many more, visit the team in store at Smart Hire.